Hey everyone, it's Erin Photo here, and I am here setting up for my week. So this is the week of my wedding, which is extremely exciting. So I am definitely having a weekly for this particular week because there's a lot of tasks that I have to get done before the wedding. For the 2 weeks after, I'm still kind of up in the air given traveling plans and things like that. I don't really think that I want to keep weeklies for that. So I guess I'll let you guys know when I figure that out, probably on Instagram at Erin Photo Designs if you want to check that out. So I'm going to set up this week very similar to how I set up this week, except instead of doing these like random patches, I'm going to do just daily logs going down. So I'm going to have my event set up over here. I don't want to have habits for this week. I don't want to really have to worry about it. I want to have all of my tasks under a daily header. So I'm going to go ahead and start setting up, and I will see you on the other side. All right, so this is all I'm going to set up for this week. Monday, I am working in the morning, wrapping up some stuff, and then I am stopping until I get back from my honeymoon, and then I am having a meeting with my venue at 12 o'clock. We're planning on doing lunch with my parents, dropping off a whole bunch of stuff, hopefully seeing Avengers Endgame. If you have seen it, please do not spoil it for me. I'm excited to go see it. And then this is all the stuff that I have to bring for the venue. I need to check with her to make sure that there's nothing else that I really need to bring. And then we're going to visit the bakery that is providing some goodies for our rehearsal dinner. At least I think that's the plan. We're kind of all over the place here in the last month, week, where I don't even know where I am anymore. And then I'm going to use this Simply Gilded washi to mark off in between the days. I don't know if I'm going to have any more tasks, so I'm not going to use it, but I thought this star washi tape would be perfect given the stars and moon theme. Plus I didn't have enough time to use the right marker. I'm using 535 this week, which you can see is a little bit lighter, so I tried to do kind of a double go over it 2 times so that I could kind of mimic this color, because I cannot for the life of me find the markers that I was using when I set up last week. So I mean, what are you gonna do? And I didn't have enough time to get the gold ready, so I'm gonna use this as pops of gold. So thank you guys for putting up with me while I am a mess in this whole last week of my wedding, before my wedding situation. So I hope you guys like this pretty simple theme. I know it's really simple, but I really just need some rapid logging to get through this week. So if I don't see you guys on Friday, because like fingers crossed I'm gonna have a video all ready to go, but I can't really promise anything given everything that's going on. So hopefully I will see you guys on Friday. If not, I look forward to seeing you when I get back, or if I get some videos produced in the meantime. Hopefully I will, fingers crossed. But if I don't, thank you guys for being with me on this journey. You guys mean a lot to me, and all of your support has been really helpful during this whole entire time. I think I'm going to have a video where it's just me working on putting together some of the wedding supplies, because I have to do that anyways, and maybe I can just record it. The problem is I don't know about editing and voiceovers and all that kind of stuff in the meantime. So fingers crossed I will get that done, because I'm really excited for you guys to see some of the things that I am working on. So I will see you when I see you. Bye everyone. Like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you later. Bye.